How to block and unblock someone on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to block and unblock someone on Pinterest. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Pinterest app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Pinterest, and then make sure to click on the update button whenever it is available. So, assuming now that you have updated your Pinterest app, you may open it and then go to the account that you want to block. For example, I will choose this image and then I should scroll down a little bit until I can see the name or the profile of the um, creator or author of this picture. For example, this one, the We Heart It. So click on their profile picture and then click on this three dots found on the right, the lower right corner right here. So click on it and then click on block right here. And as you can see, if you block the name of that user, you can still view each other's profile, but you can send message, follow, or save each other's pins. So click on block and then wait for it to load. And now, as you can see, the follow button has turned into gray. Then that means that you have blocked or successfully blocked this user. In order to unblock them, you just simply go back to these three dots right here and then click on unblock right here. So unfortunately, Pinterest doesn't have an option in which you can see the list of those who you blocked. So what you're going to do is that you need to search for their account, for example, or go to their specific post and then click on their profile and unblock that user. So that's it. That's how you can block and unblock someone on Pinterest.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.